Hey you guys, welcome on this reading. This is gonna be a no contact reading. Yes, this is gonna be a short reading. I just want you to be very open when you listen to this reading. Open means you are ready to receive. You are ready to receive what the universe has for you. Do not think that this is not good, this reading is good or not good. What your person is thinking, let it go. Okay, be very open when you're watching this reading, because your openness is actually bringing this reading to you. So if you have today, if you feel like when you're watching this reading and you felt quite open to your loved one, you felt like releasing, you felt like doing a lot of things before, today or just today or yesterday, whatever the energy was. But if you thought that I should be open to release, at least to welcome new energies, at least, yes, this is gonna be your reading, and I want you to be open today also. This is 111 on the clock. Let's start reading your loved one. What are they feeling? And the no contact, this is especially for those people who are in no contact. Let's just find out what this is about. And I heard someone, they said, if your no contact has been over a year or two, that's not a no contact, it's done and over with. So I don't know if your no contact is 1 or 2 years, but let's just find out what are the energies for the collective. Okay, be open, take a deep breath in, let it go, let it go, let it go, let it go. All right, universe, let me know what are the collective energies for no contact. What are their partner thinking of themselves? Hierophant. Okay, 6 of Cups, 8 of Swords. Okay, 10 of Swords, 10 of Wands actually, 3 of Cups. Yep. Okay, Ace of Cups. Okay, let's find 2 more energies, the Sun, and we have 5 of Cups. Okay, now what your person is feeling, they are the bottom, we have 2 of Swords. Okay, now this makes it very clear. So initially your person thought that this relationship is bringing them a lot of energy. Initially your person thought that this relationship has is gonna go towards marriage. The marriage is supposed to happen. So this is, I have received 2 cards of successful marriage of this relationship. I don't know if you want that or not, but this is your sign that yes, the marriage, your person thinks that marriage is happening in this relationship. However, right now in no contact situation, your person is very much thinking about this relationship. They don't know what to do. When these 2 cards, both of these 2 cards appear in the reading, it's like they don't know what to do. It's more confirmation, it's a confirmation for you. They don't know what to do. Okay, now the very first card is a Hierophant card. I see that your person thinks that this is it. They want to give you something. They want to be the provider. They want to work hard. They want to give you something to hold on to. So either they can give you a proposal. They can tell you that I want you but I can't come towards you, something like that. But however, this person misses you a lot. This is also something that is telling me some kind of marriage. This relationship has a marriage chance, like a like proper chance of marriage. If you're already married to this person has their way to come back in. So they want to come back in. This person is going through a lot of burdens right now. I feel like they might be married to someone else, or if you are married to this person, they want to come back. Okay, so in both the cases they want to come back. Your person wants to come back. However, I see that you are very productive right now. You're very charming. You're baby like your inner child is growing, or maybe you show them like that. So this is a 444 energy. You show them that you are very happy and you have nothing to do with them. Your person is broken. Your person is broken. We have 5 is confirmation that your person is needing, they have a need to come to you. They feel like, I am going to be the one who wants to propose, I am going to be the one who needs to go. And if you have done something, I don't know, because you are showing up as the sun card. Maybe your person sees you as the sun card, but your energies are more like, I am the sun, I am the provider, I can provide for me. If you want to go, you can go. So you are more like detached. If, I mean, if you feel like that this person is never gonna come back, they are trying to like think of you, they're trying to find another person. This another person, there are three of cups. Excuse me. This three of cups, your person is trying to find a medium means someone of you who you and they both know mutually, right? They want to lure you in by asking you for a friendship first, right? They might ask you for a friendship first. Let's go out with a friend, right? With a mutual friend or something. They just want to talk to you, they just want to hang out with you. This is what feels like. But it's because they have a lot of burdens right now. They are under a lot of pressure, a lot of burdens. They are like, I don't know what to do at all in their lives. They don't know what to do. Especially when you left, they felt like a lot of burden. They always wanted to message you. This is more like a message. I feel like you have blocked this person. Why do I get a feeling like you have blocked this person? There is more like you have closed your paths for them, and they can't go anywhere else. And other someone else also have, like, I'm feeling there is other people who have also closed paths for them. So if you have gone no contact, some other person, this is not a third party I'm talking about, this is other people, right? Other people have also gone no contact with your person. I don't know, but a lot of ways are blocked for your person right now. And I just feel they miss you. If you have a telepathic communication with your person a lot these days, they miss you. They are trying to contact you, they are trying to um you know take you out. And this is where they want to open up. This is where they want to open up. They want to tell you, they want to propose to you, they want to come in a union with you. However, I feel like this person is very much broken and dissatisfied with themselves right now. Right now they are closed, but with you they feel like open up. With you, like, you have an inner child. I just feel like that. But they are very much blocked. Let's find out what this is, where this is going. Okay, there is a death card in the reverse, but I'm gonna take another card. I feel there's a blockage here that you won't go out. There's a blockage that there is no mutual person between you two also. So this could be a friend or a family member that they might talk to in order to talk to you, right? So, but I feel like you're not very much open. I feel like some divine has blocked your way, blocked this person's way to come to you. I don't know, but let's find out. Again, we have the same card. Let's see where this is going. Where is this going, divine? Please tell us. Where is this going? Page of Pentacles, Page of Cups. Okay, they want you to talk to them. Temperance. We have these energies and we have Magician. This person is trying this, like, manifesting a lot. First they are trying to manifest you coming back to this person, so you should go back to this person. They are manifesting that. Then they want to talk to you, right? So they want to talk to you. There are two pages, Page of Pentacles, Page of Cups. They want to talk to you, they want to message you, they want to see, they want to check the waters. I don't know, but your person is more like they are they're nervous, they want to text you, but they feel like something is not right, something is not gonna happen, so you might say no. Your person is continuously feeling like you are gonna say no. This is 10 10, there's a confirmation. I feel like there is divine, there is destiny, your life, you particularly, this all is blocking this person right now. However, we have the Hierophant card. So Hierophant might be telling you that this person will eventually come to you. And we have Sagittarius. So Temperance card, yes, you guys are gonna talk, they want to, you know, do this, but they are so cold that they can't be coming, they can't be coming to you, but they will. I'm just, I'm seeing, I'm like, I have something like a portal opening and this person coming as a vision. This is a vision coming to me. You also, I see you also are manifesting this person. It's just in a time being time that the veil, the portal is gonna open, something like that, and this person will just drop a text. They will just talk to you, something like that. Okay, so let me tell you what are the signs that I'm getting, and I'm gonna tell you the numbers also. The numbers is 1 5 19 14 5 3 8 6 and 10. Okay, these numbers could be important to you or your person. And then we have Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, Taurus, Libra, Gemini, Aquarius, Sagittarius, and then we have Magician. So we have all the signs. Okay, all the signs. So yeah, mainly those signs were there. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn is also there, but yeah, mainly we have all the signs. Okay, so yeah guys, this was about it. This was your reading. If you like it, like the video. This is your sign 1212. If you want to book your personal reading, contact me through WhatsApp. You know the deal. The number is in the description box below. And yeah, like this video, comment down below, let me know what are your energies, if this video resonated with you or not. Thank you. Bye bye.